Hello and welcome. My name is Alan. Today we're looking at another important moment in history. This one is a bit of a sadder moment. The Challenger explosion. I want to say it's 86. We were to have another launch. We were going to send a teacher into space with the crew. A teacher named Sally Ride was destined for this launch. Unfortunately, yeah, let's go ahead. Let me shrink this window down a bit. Okay, trying to get a better view. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and start the video up here.
T-minus 21 seconds, and the solid rocket booster engine gimbal now underway. T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We have main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff. Liftoff of the 25th Space Shuttle mission, and it has cleared the tower.
Control program. Roger, roll, Challenger. Good roll.
Yeah, everything looks fine right now. We're seeing the rocket lift from the ground. You know, they're sending a teacher into space, a citizen, so not someone who's been naturally trained as an astronaut. But yeah.
Program confirmed. Challenger now heading downrange. Engines beginning throttling down now at 94%. Normal throttles for most of the flight, 104%. We'll throttle down to 65% shortly. Engines at 65%, 3 engines running normally, 3 good fuel cells, 3 good APUs. Velocity 2,257 feet per second. Altitude 4.3 nautical miles, downrange distance 3 nautical miles.
So the 25th Space Shuttle mission is now on the way after more delays than NASA cares to count. This morning it looked as though they were not going to be able to get off.
Yeah. The explosion. We see. You often don't think of NASA as a group that makes mistakes. But yeah, this was devastating. It's one of the serious mistakes in NASA history.
1 minute 15 seconds. Velocity 2,900 feet per second. Altitude 9 nautical miles. Downrange distance 7 nautical miles.
Looks like a couple of the solid rocket boosters blew away from the side of the shuttle in an explosion.
Flight controllers here looking very carefully at the situation. Obviously a major malfunction.
So yeah, we have the explosion of the Challenger space station, not space station, space shuttle. There was a lot of hope. You know, we were sending a teacher into space. NASA had, you know, kind of settled into this idea of really getting things done. But sometimes things happen. Um, no matter with how many redundancies you have in place to check for errors, things sometimes still just happens. And that's what, yeah, they make it so far into the sky, they don't even break the, um, I guess it would be the ionosphere. You know, they're still within the actual parameters of what we would consider Earth before they hit outer space. So, but yeah, it's a sad reminder that things can happen, no matter who you have. But yeah, I just wanted to look at another moment of history through media. We'll be doing, like I said, we'll try to do more of these historical media moments. Uh, but I'm going to go ahead and end this episode here. As always, educate thyself, think, read, study, learn. Someone tries to tell you something you have trouble believing, ask them to cite their sources. I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, later.